Today we're going to review the GekkoScience R909 miner right here that mines Bitcoin and other coins. Before we start, I want to thank our sponsors for today's video, APMEX.com. APMEX.com is a website where you can buy coins and bullion and all kind of different things that are made out of silver, gold, platinum, and I actually use them myself. I bought a bunch of coins, bunch of different silver coins like this, and they actually have a program where they will buy it back from you, which is pretty awesome. So you can have another way to invest, in real physical coins. You know me, I like physical things. That's why I sell physical items, and APMEX will sell you physical gold, silver, platinum, and palladium directly to your door, safe and secured and insured. Check the link below. I love using their service, been using them for over a decade. So let me show you the R909 miner, the features and its mining capability. Let's start with the miner itself. As you can see, it's pretty small and it's pretty light. You see the logo of GekkoScience right here. You see it says here Thermos R909, and let me show you the back. In the back you have a VGA power here. It's the same as a graphics card power if you have a power supply. We also have another type of power supply you can plug in, the 5.5mm, the standard one. There's a mini USB interface for the computer when you have all the mining statistics and all that. And don't touch this one, that's a voltage regulator, so don't mess with it. In the front, you can see there is an Arctic fan. We're also gonna have a version with LED fan. And that's about it. That's very simple. In the back, you have little rubber pieces here, you can see here, which means it's very nice on the desk. It's like it will sit on your desk like this and you will just mine away. So you can put it next to your office or gaming computer. Awesome. In the box, when you buy it from BitcoinMerch.com, you will receive a mini USB in the box. This is how you connect it to the computer. You will also receive a 12 volt, 10 amp, 120 watt power supply that works with both 110 volt and 220, so it works everywhere. But you will receive a plug for the US, so you might need an adapter if you live somewhere else. Let's plug in that USB cable to communicate with the computer. Then we're gonna plug in the power supply. Plug it to the wall, and we're gonna go to a Windows PC to download the software. Let's go. Now we plug in the USB to the computer, it's a Windows computer, and power to the wall, and we're good to go. Next, we're going to BitcoinMerch.com and finding that GekkoScience R909 pod. In here, you'll be able to download the software. It's free, we give it away. You download the software and you unzip it. It looks like this. It's very important to click the README. The newest update is that you have to use Keynote.is pool. You have to use Keynote's pool to use this miner. We might have updates for this software in the future, and the Raspberry Pi, you'll be able to use whatever you want. But right now, that's our limitation. We're gonna right click and edit this file, the R909 start. This is a Stratum address for Kano. Now, if you go to Kano, you can register to a free account, and you'll be able to, that way, get your mining profits and all that. It looks like this. You just hit the register, create a new account, and then when you're done, use that username that you registered with and change Bitcoin Merch user to your user so you get paid. Now, the starting frequency is 400 and the peak frequency is 450 by the code here, as you can see, R909. You can go up and down if you wish to try to get more juice out of it. I will leave it at 450. There is really depends on what kind of miner you get. There is silicon lottery. So basically what that means is some units perform better than others, and you would never know which one you're gonna get. But you're gonna get at least 1.6, 1.7 terahash. Some units can go up to 2.3. The only way to find out is to go up the frequency. So you're gonna do that and test your units, see how far you can go, and if you got lucky to a really powerful one. Once we change that, we double click on Zadig software to install the newest drivers. So we're gonna go down the list and look for the R909 and click on reinstall drivers to change it to the Windows USB. Once that's installed, simply click R909 start and boom, you are start mining. Let's wait a little and see what kind of mining performance we get. What I like about this miner is that it's one of the quickest miners to set up ever, and it's also quickest to reach top performance of the hashing power. If you want to grab one, go to BitcoinMerch.com and get yourself one. We actually provide the power supply with it. A lot of companies don't do that. and we give you all the support. I will personally probably help you set it up if you don't know how to, so you can contact me, ask for it down on the website, and I'll help you if I can. And that's it. We can now calculate how much money you can make with this pod. This pod is not designed really to do pool mining, which means you're mining together with other people to try to get like little rewards every time they hit a block together, because the hash rate is very low. Let me show you. So we are doing, let's see, we're doing about 1,800 gigahashes, which is 1.8 terahash, which brings about $40 a year. As you can see, it will take many years to make your money back buying one of those. Or you can do solo mining, which gives you the possibility to hit a block and win 6.25 Bitcoin. The chances are low because your hash rate is low. We had a customer actually win a whole block with one of those miners, similar to this with the Compact Theft. He got one. So it's definitely possible, but you know the chances are low. Or make $40 a year and slowly over time make your money back, and you still have this cool miner on your desk. Here it is, the miner in action on my desk. Looks really nice. So that's it. This is the R909 from GekkoScience, available now at bitcoinmerch.com. See you guys soon. Subscribe. Peace.